Hello everyone, welcome to Chola Deck Tutorials. Today we're going to learn on how to edit group shapes without losing their animation in PowerPoint. I'll be using our best-selling template Modern X to guide you throughout this tutorial. Let's get started. This is an example of group shape in our Modern X template. Group shape consists of multiple text and shapes within a group. This is to ensure for you to easily move around. Now, if you want to edit a group shape, make sure you edit the correct inner layer of it. For example, if you want to edit the text, make sure you select on the text and then change the text. So like that. Now, if you want to edit the color of this group shape, make sure you choose the correct rectangle layer right inside of the group shape. And then right click on it and fill with your favorite color. You need to make sure that you edit the correct layer in order to keep the existing animation of these group shapes. This is a quick tutorial on how to edit group shapes in this Modern X template. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. In case if you wonder what is the template that I use in this tutorial, it's one of our best-selling templates, Modern X. I'll add the download link in the description below. That's all for today. If you think you have any other questions or suggestions related to this tutorial, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.